Welcome back to my channel Maasarakarpom CMA. Today correlation and regression points to remember. Correlation coefficient is a geometric mean between regression coefficient byx and bxy. That is r is equal to plus or minus bxy into byx. R is positive if both bxy and byx are positive. R is negative if both bxy and byx are negative. Regression line of y on x is y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. If you have y minus y bar in the left hand side, here byx, then x minus x bar. Regression line of x on y is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar, where x bar and y bar are means. bxy is equal to r sigma x sigma y. byx is equal to r sigma y by sigma x, where sigma x is standard deviation of x and sigma y is standard deviation of y. bxy and byx both cannot be greater than unity. Both should be less than unity, or either one must be less than unity. If r is equal to plus or minus 1, both the regression lines coincide. If r is equal to 0, both the regression lines are perpendicular. To the MCQs, r is equal to root of bxy into byx. So r squared is byx into bxy, option B. Next, bxy and byx will either be positive, both be positive, or both negative. Then third is false, because covariance of xy is equal to the product r into sigma x into sigma y, that is standard deviation, not variance. So third is false. For match, first one, y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. X minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar is the best estimate of x for given values of y. Then bxy is equal to 1 by byx, that is the condition for making r squared is equal to 1. Then sigma y into bxy is equal to r into sigma x, option 2. Then regression equation predicts maximum values of one variable for specified values of the other variable. You can substitute either x or y. Then sixth is bxy is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y, that is equal to 0.65. We know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean, greater than or equal to harmonic mean. So bxy plus byx by 2, that is arithmetic mean, is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So option C is right. Eighth one, it is less than or equal to 1, because two extreme points are minus 1 and plus 1. For ninth, regression coefficient is the increment in the value of the dependent variable for the unit change in the value of the independent variable, option B. For 10th, byx is equal to 0.3 divided by minus 1.5, that is equal to 0.2 with the negative sign. 11th, you have to use the formula byx is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by sigma y squared minus sigma y the whole squared. All the values are given, you have to substitute and find. It is 1.5. For you to check, here are the calculation. Substitute for sigma xy, sigma x into sigma y, then sigma y square minus sigma y the whole squared. Note, sigma y squared and sigma y the whole squared are not the same. All the values are given, substitute, you will get byx as 1.5. Regression line of y on x and x on y are given. You can find byx and bxy. bxy is 1.36, byx is 0.61, r is equal to root of 1.36 into 0.61, that is 0.911. Since both are positive, r is also positive, so it is positive 0.911. Next, 13th, if sigma x minus x bar the whole squared is equal to sigma y minus y bar the whole squared, then byx is equal to bxy. Match coefficient of correlation is a geometric mean between regression coefficients. Arithmetic mean of regression coefficient is greater than or equal to the correlation coefficient. Regression analysis is the functional relationship which shows dependence of one variable on the other. Intersection point of lines of regression is their means. Then 15th, it is residual. 16th, it is minus 3.244. Next, line of best fit by the method of least squares. So this is minimum. Remember, like this, least minimum. Next, the calculation part for question number 16 and 15 is explained. Outlier means a data point far away, slope is m, residue is y minus y bar, and scattered point is any data. And 16th, sigma dx is 0, so this is equal to minus 3.244. Next to question number 18. You know that bxy and byx should be of the same sign, so you won't get option A or option B because byx is given as negative. So you have to check whether C or D. A tricky way of calculation, bxy equal to byx into sigma x by sigma y. It is given variance of x as 34. So when you substitute for byx, that is 11 by 34 into 34 by variance of y. So 34 and 34 will get cancelled. So in the numerator you have minus 11. So option D will be the right answer. Right? A tricky way this is. You can write mx is equal to y minus 10. X is equal to y by m minus 10 by m. So bxy is 1 by m. Here minus 2x plus 5y is equal to 14. So 5y is equal to 2x plus 14. Y is equal to 2 by 5x plus 14 by 5. Byx is 2 by 5. You know that r is equal to root of byx into bxy. So substitute for byx and bxy, that is 1 by m into 2 by 5. Take square on both sides because you have square root on both sides. So 1 by 10 is equal to 2 by 5m. 5m is equal to 20. So m is equal to 4. If you go for the other way, from the first line byx and from the second line bxy, you won't get the option which is given in the answer. So you have to go for the alternate way from the first bxy and from the second byx. You have two ways to solve this. Next, question number 20. You are asked to find the mean. You know that two regression lines meet at their means. So point of intersection is the mean. You have to solve these two equations and find the point of intersection, which is the mean x bar and y bar. You can multiply the first equation by 5, second equation as such. You will get y as 17. You can go for option, but in the option you have two options with y 17, so you have to substitute for y and find x also. You will get x as 13. So option A 13, 17 is the right answer. 13 is x bar and 17 is y bar. That's all. Hope this video is useful to you all. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.